Yes, I can light the whole universe. I am different, I am purpose, I am brilliant. Yes, I feel it.
Hey gorgeous ones. All right, so today is a collab. I'm collabing with Ashleigh from Dr. Ash and her makeup. Now Ashleigh is the way I found her is because I happened to be watching one of her videos and she mentioned that she was from Chicago, and I was like, yes, another Chicago beauty YouTuber. And let me tell you, it is I can't find it. So if you know of any other Chicago beauty YouTubers, please let me know. And so I reached out to her and I started watching her based on her being from Chicago. So I was like, a Chi-Town girl, hey, holla, because at this point the only other person I know is Ladessa from Vlogless Behavior. So I've been watching her for a while and I really like her content. She does a lot of reviews. She stays on top of the makeup scene. Listen, she is perfect for you guys because we know that we over here, we are a band of, you know, makeup enthusiasts who love to shop, and Ashleigh shops just like us, and she's very timely, whereas y'all know I can be slow with putting out reviews. So if you're looking for reviews of new products that are coming out, that have just come out a lot, check out Ashleigh, because she might have it on, she might be doing a review of it, because girlfriend, especially when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, she be like within days. I'm like, dang girl, y'all see what I'm talking about. All right, so one of the reasons why I wanted to collab with Ashleigh was to like share her out, so you all could see who she was and see her content. And so when I contacted her, reached out to her to do it, she came up with this great idea. We are doing a B.O.M.B look using B.O.M makeup. And if you don't know what B.O.M is, that's a Black-owned makeup brand. So we really tried to do a full face. I think Ashleigh did it. I almost did it. So I found that I have holes in my makeup collection using with Black-owned brands. So I will be trying to reach out to and find some to fill in those holes. And if you see where I have the holes, or you know of some companies that might have them, let me know. All right. So also don't forget to go on and check out Ashleigh. Her videos in the cards, her channel, and the videos in the description box. Make sure you go on and head on over to hers and check out her B.O.M look using B.O.M makeup, because it, you know, and let her know that I sent you over there. You know, we gotta go on and support her, subscribe, help grow her channel, because you know that's what we all about, growth for everybody. All right, so if you would like to check out how we did our looks, what happened with them, and because let me tell y'all, this eye look took forever, and child, please, I'm gonna have a whole story about it. And it's really bad because some makeup that I really loved, yeah, I ain't loving no more right now. I ain't loving no more. All right, so if you would like to hang out and see what look I came up with and what products I used, don't go anywhere. All right, so I'm using Tangerine from the Ace Beaute Quintessential palette to do my transition right there. And it's more of a, it's not as intense as it looks in the palette. It is a beautiful orange, but it's not quite as bright. So if you're looking for that type of bright orange, it's not quite as bright as that. So next up now is Rosewood, and I'm using that in my crease to create depth in that crease and give it a little more burgundy, you know, just doing a little blending, just a little blend. So now after that, I'm gonna go over the top of it just to blend it in a little bit at the top after I've done that. Right there, that's where I'm blending those together, just to make sure they're blended and not just two streaks of color. Next up, I'm using Clove, which is the lighter, more peachy color in the palette, just on the top, just to create a more transition. Now that's Neroli. Neroli is the black in the palette, and it is a very intense black, so you don't need a lot of it to deepen the outer V and bring it into the crease a little bit. so now after I'm done doing this, I'm going to clean my lid off and, clean it up. And then I'm going to use Mandarin, which is the orange shimmer, and that's going to go in the outer half of my lid. Really pretty. I did spray the brush. It was really intense and beautiful. And then the next thing I'm going to do after I do that is then I'm going to use Berry, and that's a darker, more burgundy shimmer on the outer half of my lid. And then after that, I'm going to take a little of the jasmine on my finger to blend the two together, just in the middle, just between the two of them, just to give it a nice transition with the little champagne gold color. And then I'm going to continue on with my makeup. Okay, so I'm back after all this debacles of trying to get these eyelids done. Now, I do not have any eyeliner that's a bomb right now, because the only one I could think of right quick was Fenty, and I don't do those type of eyeliners. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to put my wing on, and then I'll come back and we'll go on with the look. Okay, so now I'm back, and it's been a minute because, my eyes are done. Well, not, my eyes are done. Eyeliner is on, and my phone died, so I had to stop. I had a little snack while I waited for it to charge up. And so now let's get started on the face with our B.O.M.B products. Now, I don't have everything, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, while I'm doing it, I will tell you about the things I'm using, of course, that are B.O.M.B. The rest is like, whatever. But first, let me tell you about what's going on with this primer. This is the Fenty Beauty Primer, of course. But the top, the little pump broke, so I had to pry the top off in order to get into it, because I'm going to use this stuff. So now I've gotten into it. I'm going to use it. So that's what I'm telling you now, if I'm looking a little crazy when I'm using it. And then I'm going to figure out some way to put it in. I'm going to put it in a container so I can finish using it up. And this will be the primer I'm using for a while, just to make sure I get rid of it. All right. See you in a little bit. All right. So I'm using that Fenty primer like I told you all I was. Okay, I put on way too much primer. I don't know I don't know. I think without a pump, I lost my mind. Because that was just way too much primer. I didn't need that much primer in my life. I had to let this stuff set. It was so much on my face. I could have primed me and Porch. She could have had primer. All right, so now I'm using the Fenty foundation, and I use 270. All right, so to be honest, now my concealer, I don't have a concealer. I know I could have got the Fenty, but I just haven't gone to Sephora. Y'all know I ain't a big Sephora person. So my concealer is going to be my Too Faced concealer, because I love this stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal with the Too Faced. Yeah, I know I could have had the Fenty, but I don't. And then I went to go, and then to be quite honest, the other black-owned brands really don't have anything that's light enough for me. Just being honest, I went to look for Iman. Yeah, that didn't work. Because I ran to the store, I said Iman is, but yeah, that didn't work. Now I'm going to set with my usual, which is my e.l.f. under eye powder. Because I do have some setting powder. But now next up is going to be my Beauty Bakerie. That's what I'm setting with. That's what I am setting my face with. I don't know why I didn't show it to y'all. Was that the quickest flash of Beauty Bakerie? But anyway, it's the flower setting powder. Love it. Don't ask me what happened just there. Oh my goodness. Now my bronzer is pretty vulgar because I don't have a bronzer, because I was trying to get one. Do y'all see that patch of bronzer right there? What the hell just happened? All right, so for my blush, I'm using Juvia's Place, and I'm using, which one am I using, y'all? I'm using Tao, and it's a pretty orange color. Okay, do y'all see that pop of bronzer on my head? What the hell did I just do, y'all? Y'all, don't let me do that again. All right, so my highlighter is my color Raine, and it's in Luxurious Bling. I do like this. Okay, I do like it. I didn't put a lot on, but you can see it. It's like a peachy duochrome. Yes, child. Yes, I like it like that. Okay, there she go. There she goes. She blind. You know, she's showing off. She's trying to show off. She's showing out. She's showing out. By the way, don't say anything about how quickly I flashed that beauty bakery. That was not my intention. Something must have happened with my when I was doing the filming. And so now I'm going underneath the eye with my Quintessential palette again in Rosewood. So I'm going to do the rosewood under the eye, and then I'm going to smoke it out. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to use Bergamot, which is this gold color. Oh, I'm sorry, I used Jasmine. Okay, my bad, I used Jasmine. So I used Jasmine, that light champagne-y color. All right, now here are my lashes. I am using Colored Raine lashes. I found these when I was ordering, and these are in CR023, and they do silk lashes, and this is my very first time using their lashes. And yes, I'm silly, and yes, I showed them to you all twice, but that's because I love Colored Raine, and don't judge me. All right, so here is the final look. After all of my trials and tribulations, it actually came out very nice. My hair is looking good. Now the color on my lips is Colored Raine. It is Snob. It is this beautiful coral color that I have fallen in love with. I didn't even think I was gonna like, but I do love it. All right, so that is it. Let me know what you think. Make sure you go check out Ash. And as always, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Bye-bye.